What's up, guys? Hope you guys have been enjoying the S10 content. Today we got some 240 work I have to do. Have a small fuel leak. Only happens when we're above half a tank on here, and then I'm getting on it, you know, turning, whatever. You can start to smell fuel real bad. So we're gonna tackle that today. I got on Rock Auto, ordered the seal that I'm pretty sure it is. I recently replaced the fuel pump and I did not replace the seal. I didn't think it would be an issue. Now it is. I have a drift event in about 2 days or so. I've been working 610s, 1 day off, and I'm just trying to make it through. Trying to get you guys this S10 content too. It's been hard. Hope you guys have been enjoying it. Let's get to replacing this real quick. So I took this plate off already. It's just for 10 mils. I think the underneath is smaller. Comes off. Bloop. So you can see here the seal underneath is just squished. This was it right here. It was just falling apart. It was all soaked in fuel. So I'm gonna pull this off and hopefully everything comes off great. It's an 8mm. So I'm gonna go get that socket real quick. All right, we're back. Got my 8mm. There we go. Forgot I gotta take off these lines or else we're gonna have issues. These pliers are a must. I don't know if you can see. All right. Now, pop this sucker off. Oh yeah, got my big ass pump. I don't know if you saw my install video. That was a pain. All right. Now I put the seal in there. Let's put this back in there. Like that. All right, let's finish up this install real quick. Put these bolts in first, so that way we can get those fuel lines on. So you have to do that step first, but don't forget your fuel lines down here. If you forget that, turn on your pump, turn on your car, you're gonna spray fuel all on the ground. So I always try and slide these on first. Very easy to forget. And then get in there, grab your hose that's hopefully still good from taking it on and off all these times. And if you have a set of these pliers, I recommend, if you don't have a set, I recommend you get a set. And if you have a set, well, you know how good they are. So this one seemed to be damaged a little bit. It's all, let's see if I can zoom in for you. This one's all flaring out, coming apart, but I'm able to pull it out. So I'm gonna cut just a little bit just to prevent it leaking, because it might have been leaking from there as well. So let's put that on. Hopefully we still got a good amount of hose. There we go. Got that on nice and tight. Let's get the other one on. All right. Both on nice and tight. Okay, that's done. Now let's reinstall this. Don't forget to plug it back in. Good to go. Turn on my circuit breaker. Alright, so we're done swapping out the gasket. Moral of the story, replace the gasket or inspect it before you reinstall that hanger. I did this job a few months ago, and when it was leaking, I was like, man, it can't be my tank. I look under because this car's pretty much rust free, so I didn't think my tank rusted through or anything. And it was the first time I put more than half a tank of fuel in, and I was driving kind of crazy, and I think the fuel just sloshed up and came out of the top, started leaking down the bottom. Just maybe like 6 drops after I parked, but I could smell fuel. Once I popped this top off, I saw fuel on the top, and like I said, this was the gasket here. It's just like, it was nasty. So swap that out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fuel pump on, and we'll listen to it, see if anything messes up. I'm gonna put you right here just in case there's any leaks. Seems good so far. Alright, so we won't really know until I take it out for a drive and kind of just do some hard left and right turns, try and get that fuel sloshed up. But so far, I got the pump on right now, and this one's a really quiet. It's a DW 450 or 400. I can't remember the number, but yeah, the pump's extremely quiet. My Walbro 255 was like extremely loud, which was cool, but also like, I don't know. Anyways, this one's quiet. It's nice. It works good. Thank you guys for watching. We'll have more S10 content. This weekend, I got a drift event I'm going to, and I know you guys have been waiting years to see like an actual drift event of me attending. And this thing, hopefully everything goes well. I'll try my best to get footage. I've been to a few drift events and just have not gotten good footage, but we'll do it this time. Make sure you guys keep a lookout for the drift video, and like, comment, subscribe. As always, see you guys next time. Big dog man with your life.